Hey there, welcome back to Financial Mo. Today, we've got an important topic to discuss that affects all of us, whether we're investors or just curious about how the financial world works. We're diving into the Canadian securities industry and the regulatory environment. Don't worry, we'll break it down into easy-to-understand bits, so grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. What is the Canadian securities industry? So, what exactly is the Canadian securities industry? Well, it's the market where you can buy and sell financial instruments like stocks and bonds. Think of it as a giant marketplace where investors and companies come together. Now, imagine you want to own a piece of your favorite company. You can do that by buying their stocks on the stock market. That's part of the Canadian securities industry. Who keeps an eye on things? Now, let's talk about the regulatory environment. It's like the referee on the field, making sure everyone plays fair. In Canada, we have organizations like the Canadian Securities Administrators, CSA, and the Investment Industry Regulatory Organization of Canada, IIROC. These folks set rules to ensure that the securities industry operates smoothly and protects investors like you and me. Example, IIROC. Let's break it down with an example. The IIROC, or IIROC, as some people call it, oversees investment dealers and their representatives. They make sure these professionals follow the rules, treat clients fairly, and maintain financial stability. It's like having a watchdog to make sure everyone is playing by the rules. Investor protection. Now, let's talk about something crucial, investor protection. These regulations are in place to make sure your hard-earned money is safe. For instance, brokerage firms need to provide clear information about the risks associated with different investments. This helps you make informed decisions. Example, prospectus. When a company wants to sell stocks to the public, they must create a prospectus. Think of it as a detailed brochure that tells you everything you need to know about the company and its stock. This helps you make informed decisions before deciding to invest. Market integrity. Another key aspect of the regulatory environment is market integrity. This ensures that the markets are fair and transparent. For instance, there are rules against insider trading. That's when someone trades stocks based on non-public information. It's like making sure no one has an unfair advantage in the game. Example, insider trading. Imagine you know a company's CEO, and they tell you some big news before it's made public. If you were to trade stocks based on that information, it would be considered insider trading and is a big no-no in the eyes of regulators. And there you have it, a crash course on the Canadian securities industry and the regulatory environment. Remember, these rules are in place to protect you, the investor. If you're thinking about diving into the world of investing, take some time to understand these regulations. It's like putting on a financial seatbelt. It keeps you safe in the unpredictable journey of the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share it with your friends. Thanks for joining us today at Financial Mo. And we'll see you in the next one.